What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Hydraulic Engineering Tutorial YouTube channel. Today, we see how to monetizing your YouTube channel involves a multifaceted approach. You must first meet the YPP eligibility requirements, including reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours within 12 months, adhering to community guidelines, and linking an AdSense account. After approval, you can enable various monetization features like ad revenue, channel memberships, and super chat. Optimizing your earnings requires creating high-quality content, improving search visibility, engaging with your audience, analyzing analytics, and diversifying revenue streams. Continuous compliance with YouTube's policies is crucial for long-term monetization success. Building a sustainable income on YouTube takes time, effort, and dedication. By consistently creating valuable content and optimizing your strategy, you can turn your passion into a profitable endeavor. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hydraulic engineering content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.